Hey everybody, in this video I want to talk about hedgehog facts. And there are 17 species of hedgehog in 5 genera found through parts of Europe, Asia, Africa and New Zealand. The name hedgehog came into use around the year 1450, derived from the Middle English word hedgehog or hedge, because it frequents hedgerows and hog from its pig-like snout. Hedgehogs are easily recognized by their spines, which are hollow hairs made stiff with keratin. Their spines are not poisonous or barbed, and unlike the quills of porcupine, cannot easily be removed from the hedgehog. However, spines normally come out when a hedgehog sheds baby spines and replaces them with adult spines. This is called quilling. When under extreme stress or during sickness, a hedgehog can also lose spines. A defense that all species of hedgehog possess is the ability to roll into a tight ball, causing all of the spines to point outwards. However, its effectiveness depends on the number of spines, and since some of the desert hedgehogs evolved to carry less weight, they are much more likely to try to run away and sometimes even attack the intruder, trying to ram into the intruder with its spines and rolling as a last resort. This results in a different number of predators for different species. While forest hedgehogs have relatively few, primarily birds and ferrets, smaller species like the long-eared hedgehog are preyed on by foxes, wolves and mongooses. Hedgehogs are primarily nocturnal, also depending on the species. They may be more or less active during the day. The hedgehog sleeps for a large portion of the daytime either under cover of bush, grass, rock or in a hole in the ground. Want to mention that different species can have slightly different habits, but in general hedgehogs dig dens for shelter. Hedgehogs are fairly vocal, and depending on the species they communicate through a combination of grunts, snuffles and or squeals. Interesting fact about hedgehogs that similar to opossums, mice and moles, they have some natural immunity against snake venom due to the protein erinesin in the animal's muscular system. However, it is only available in small amounts, and viper bite may kill the hedgehog. Hedgehogs are classified as insectivores, but they are almost omnivores because they eat insects, snails, frogs, toads, snakes, bird eggs, carrion, mushrooms, grass roots, berries, melons and watermelons. For their size, hedgehogs have a relatively long lifespan. For example, larger species of hedgehogs live up to 4 to 7 years in the wild. However, there have been records that some lived up to 16 years, and smaller species live 2 to 4 years in the wild, but in captivity 4 to 7 years. And that's basically it for hedgehog facts. If you like this video, please take a moment and comment below, watch other videos about other animals on our channel and subscribe to our channel as well.